Hi there, this is hao2it. My name is Leo. Here is my another unboxing video. The purpose of this video is give you a better idea what you're gonna get before you buy this product. This is Yamaha MG10XU. As usual, spec first. 24 programmable sound effect, 48V phantom power, support USB connection to your computer. The maximum frequency is 192 kHz, 24 bits, 4 stereo input, 3 stereo out, 2 monitor out. There isn't much inside the box. This package comes with 4 extra XLR cable. The length is 23 feet. Maybe that's the reason the box was open before, with some ugly tapes resealed. Also, there is an external power brick too. It also comes with a 114 inches external power brick. It only supports 120 volts, which cannot be used in other countries using 220 volt power. No luck, the power connector also a proprietary connector. Then the user manual and mixing board itself. The layout of the board is very simple and straightforward. They all labeled and pretty easy to understand. You find the power connector, on-off switch, USB port using to connect to your computer, everything on the back of the device. On top, you find all the in and out port. On the top left, you find all the input from 1 to 10. On the top right, you find all the audio out inside the blue box. Below those, you find all the knobs referring to its channel. The white one on top is the gain and volume. The yellow knob right below is the compressor. Keep going down, 3 rows of green knobs. They are high, mid, and low EQ. The white one right below the greens is the sound effect applied to that individual channel. The red one below that is the pan, which adjusts the balance of the right and left channel. The last big white knob on the bottom is the total volume of the input and the effect you apply to. Lastly, on the right side, there's a programmable sound effect panel, total 24 different real-time programmable sound effects. Enough for the board. The build quality of the board is good, but sure not great. This is not the equipment sitting on your desk and you will admire every day. It's really meant for practical. You can tell by the board layout. It basically lays everything on top of the plastic. You also find exposed screws on top of that surface too. Speaking of plastic casing, this unit does turn very hot quite quickly. I'm a bit worried about that. Other than that, it's good solid equipment for my needs. I'm always a fan of Yamaha. I like them and I trust them. The price of the product is $209, $229.63 after tax. Free shipping if you are a Prime member. I ordered it on Amazon. The seller called Sorrow Sounds. I ordered it on May 28th, shipped on May 30th, delivered on June 1st. This unit comes with no cable, especially no USB cable. Only one power brick. The 4 XLR cable was bundled by the seller called Sorrow Sounds. I hope all this information helpful to you if you consider buying this product. If you find it useful, please consider to subscribe to my channel. There will be more updates every day. Again, my name is Leo. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.